That's why he's my all-time favorite.
Chhetri tries to find Bekokai. This is round 13 of the I-League. JCT takes on Air India in Ludhiana, while Pune FC takes on...
Not get enough pace or the corner of...
And only 3 draws, so we can expect a result today as
Absolutely.
well.
I mean, this is a much more exciting match than what we saw yesterday. Absolutely, there is a lot of pace over here and a lot of...
It just seems that he was on a very good run when he was at corner. It seems to be a practice set-piece play. Here's Bisheshwar, tries to curl that in, tries to find Amos, makes it his. It's a good shot on the run, and it's been cleared by Nirmal Chhetri. But yet again, it's Sporting Club to Goa combining well, combining to make a good chance.
Absolutely, that was a brilliant save from Abra Mandal. I mean, give all that credit to the goalkeeper. That's a well-struck ball. Did it spill out of his hand, but nevertheless did well to contain it.
Good shot on the run by Michael Tayo, but Abra Mandal just a little lucky, probably thankful to
Will have to do.
It just seems in those matchups which you spoke about, Elvis, the Mehtab versus Bibiano, and you could say the two, Mehtab and Bekokai, and a scrimmage of sort developing in front of East Bengal. Played by Tayo, played by it, finds Bisheshwar Singh. Ambitious ball, will go down, and probably East Bengal, who are feeling the heat a bit at the moment. Rodriguez back with Michael Tayo, has pressure from Alvito, does well to give it to Chintamani. Here's Yakubu, a man on 100 goals. It's the best way to describe him. Played to Michael Tayo, whips that one in, finds Abel Hammond, tries to get past Tayo, but
here that Felix is coming after a long time. You have seen him, and which is a great news for Sporting, and he's showing this old Mendes back, which is probably helping Sporting in the
Played to Hammond, stolen back with Tayo. For top scorers, he's got 11 goals. So Chirag United leading 2-0. Thanks to 2 goals from their Brazilian import, Josimar. Chintamani over there. Michael Tayo, he's had a good game, because so far, whatever they have thought hasn't really worked for them much in that game against Dempo. Very few occasions has he done that today. Now Yusuf Yakubu, but that's well tackled by Michael Tayo. 3 points here would move them on 20 points. Level on points with Mohan Bagan. Finds Alvito, trying to play it out to Nirmal Chhetri. He has Tayo for company, and Tayo does so very well. Points or something from this game against East Bengal. Played to Junior.
Who got that pass going. Sneha Sheesh through for Rakesh Masi. You can already see if a centre back is getting into attacking positions. Now the drums start rolling because possession, who's really been doing extremely well in this midfield for Mohan Bagan. The last by Bisheshwar started wide on the right, but playing pretty much down the centre. In fact, most of this game being played right down the centre. Work from Philippe Gomes. Oh, this time the first clearance wasn't very convincing, but in the end getting his along this particular corner. It's definitely been a good bright start from the home side. They are playing like the home side. It's been sent straight up, and a header also affected, but not accurate enough there from Michael Tayo.
Not a good service, not effective.
Chirag have found 12 goals. You're always going to be in with a good shout if your strikers are going to provide you that many goals inside the first 6 or 7 games.
Absolutely, no doubt about it.
Now can Tayo manufacture something? It was a great run from him. He's still in there. He's still putting in the... Mumbai FC.